Well, the quantum field, there could be no physical world without the quantum. In other words, it's not this field the matter that's emitting a field. It's the field that's actually lowering its frequency and creating matter. So if your body is 99.9999% energy and frequency and information actually outlives matter, then there's a whole unknown self that we have to become aware of.
Wow.
And there's an enormous amount of possibilities that exist in that field that we would never, ever, ever become aware of unless we had a new experience. And every new experience causes us to think about possibilities we would have never thought before until we had that experience.
Yes.
And that's when it gets super exciting. So people come to our work for health. Yes, it's important because they have the lack of it. People come for success and wealth because they have the lack of it. People come because they want to have a mystical experience because they lack of it, because they want love in their life because they have the lack of it. They come for all those reasons in the beginning, but what we discovered is that they're really coming for wholeness. And, it's really hard to want when you're whole. And, I discovered that when people are really whole and they're happy with themselves, they're happy with others. And when they love themselves, they love others. And when they're grateful for what they've accomplished, they're grateful with others. If they're angry with themselves, they're angry with others. If they hate themselves, they hate others. If they judge themselves, they judge others. Yeah, it's the way it is. So we see an emergent consciousness at the end of 7 days. We had 90 different countries at the last event,
Wow.
From all over the world.